Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I believe it's another Amazon unboxing. Not 100% sure. No, it's coming from Savos. I don't remember, but we'll give it a shot. Let's see what's inside. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. There we go. Got grip. I don't remember this, but I'm about to try it. There we go. Got it. What do we have here? What the heck? Oh, okay. This is a retro chandelier. I think I need a bulb. I'm gonna need a bulb, so I'm gonna get one in a second. This is to hang the mounting bracket right here. I'm gonna untangle this. Let it breathe the fresh air. It is so cold outside. It's still cold. Got that done. And let me go. I'm gonna pause you guys right about now. There we go. There's what the that looks like. Give me 1 second. Oh, never mind, YouTube. Sorry about that. I might have to hot wire it in and stuff like that to get the electricity. But this is what it looks like. And I have no spot right now to set this up. But you guys can get one at a low cost. Check them out. Links are going to be down below. And this is a retro lamp for your homes and everything. So, really good people. Really good customer service. They have many also different things on their website. Check them out, YouTube. You guys be safe. Have a good one. And see you soon. See ya.